I'm going to try and make some clouds of like a different colour underneath, so they're like darker and then white on top. So this is my first attempt at this, so we'll see how this sort of works out. I just want sort of a grey sort of colour. Just mixing that up on the board. This could go wrong, but who knows. I want sort of a grey colour underneath, and then hopefully the idea is to sort of mix that together. Let's have one here, about here. Very little paint really on this. Let's just see how that goes. I'll put some white on top of that and then blend them. That's the idea anyway. Okay, let's I'll try and read all the comments if I can. Yeah, I'll have to look them up. Thanks, Harold. Thanks very much. Keep tapping the screen for us, guys, if you can. Don't forget to check out my link underneath my profile picture. What else can I say? Oh yeah, press the share button if you could down there and just copy link. That's it. You don't have to do anything else. You don't have to send it to anyone. But that helps if you can do that, guys. Right, let's get some white on the board. Okay. I think I'll use the same fan brush, but I'll give it a little bit of a clean out. I've already got oil paint all over my fingers from somewhere. Try and keep clean, but it doesn't always work out. Yeah, I'm just sort of cleaning this brush off a bit, so I'm kind of nicking it, if you know what I mean. Okay. So I'm going into this white. Hopefully you can see that down here. Quite a lot of paint. Yeah, quite a lot of, it's quite a thick paint this, so I could thin it down a little bit, but the trouble is when you're doing clouds, when you go to fluff it about, it goes everywhere. So let's just try and put a bit on. Of course it's turning blue anyway. Okay, that's sort of the idea. And then we'll blend them out and they should look a bit better than that. So that's like the underneath of the cloud. I want to get it like bright white near the top, if I can. A bit more white. Do some little wispy bits. Put some little wispy bits in. Okay, we can try blending them out and see what happens. Who knows? Might be alright. Let's have a look. How do you correct any mistakes? Do you just paint over it? Yeah, exactly that, exactly that. Sharon, nice to have you here. I'm good, thanks. How are you? Do I wait? Better go to sleep. Catch you again, buddy. Good night. Take care, mate. Nice to have you here. Tips, this is so calming, thank you very much. Don't forget, guys, tap the screen as much as you can. Share if you can down the bottom. You don't need to send it to anyone, but share and copy link, that's sort of fine. So I'm just sort of blending these out. Hang on a minute, I thought that was a clean brush and it's got green on it. That's no good. Flipping heck. I'm gonna end up with green clouds. Be alright for grot bags. Right, hang on, let's just try and blend that out a bit better. I had a green brush, oh my gosh. So just blending the bottoms out really. They could do with a bit more whiter at the top, to be fair. I think I'm going to try and just put a bit more white at the top before I blend them out. I think it needs it, and I'm going to use the I said I wasn't, but I'm going to try and use, they just need brightening up near the top. happy little clouds. Yeah, this is going to be hard to blend this, but you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. Right, I'm going to try and blend that. Again, I need a half decent clean brush, so I'm going to wipe this out. Any happy little trees? There soon will be. Tiff Taff, nice to see you again. Sharon, you had trouble finding me? Oh no, I'm glad you're here. How many years have you got experience? About 6 or 7 months in total. I've always wanted to give painting a go. Where do I start? Titch, do it, mate. A few have started and sent me pictures in. You can watch all my live streams back on my YouTube channel, and you can pause and also zoom in, which is a great feature on YouTube. And you can find my YouTube channel if you click my profile picture. There's a link, and that takes you to all sorts of places, including all my socials. So, right, let's just try and whisk some of these up really gently. Want them little stringy things to come out. I'm making the noises again, sorry guys. I can't help it. I can't help it. Okay, so we've got some little things lifting up. Now literally 2 hairs and some air. Very gently, just fluff them up. Them bottoms are quite nice actually. You've sort of got all different kinds of colours in the clouds. You do see these kind of clouds, maybe just before it rains, but yeah, that's all right. It'd be nice to know if you give it a go as well. Let's get the shares up, guys. Just press share, press copy link, and that's what you need to do. Thank you for any new followers, any gifters, everyone tapping the screen. Really appreciate it. Okay, so let's have a look at them then. I'm quite happy with them. We're going to have some trees probably covering a lot of this cloud, but yeah, that's the kind of look I wanted to do. That's the first time I've done like an underneath a different colour, so I think it's turned out quite well. Do you finish painting in my sitting? Yes, I do. It's normally about an hour, if that. Beautiful, my friend, says Taylor Mike. Thank you so much. Where's everyone watching from? Please type in the comments. I know a few of you already have, but it's really nice to know. Well, we're going to make some nice mountains. We're going to make some nice mountains. If you haven't seen that done before, then stick around. But I'm just going to add a little bit of fluff here, because I think it needs it. If you're not happy, just do it again. Or add. So I'm one to do it like in little bits and then just sort of add bits. There you go, look at that. I think that's quite nice. What do you think of the clouds? Right, okay, let's have a look. Titch, Mid Wales, nice one.